Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Balkrishna Industries. If you will watch this stock carefully, then you will find out that this stock actually is trading around 1640 rupees. Okay, and it is taking resistance of this 1650 level from quite a few time. Okay, it is taking support of 1600 and resistance of 1650. Now let's see the Fibonacci levels for this stock. If you will watch this stock carefully, then you will find out that 1866 to 1640 50 rupees. Okay, it's almost correction of 10%. Okay, and the stock is actually uh, trading around 0.38 level of Fibonacci. So tomorrow, if the stock goes above this resistance line, mean if the stock goes above today's high or even 1650, then you can take a buy side position, but there is one condition: let the stock give a flat opening and then breaks this resistance line of 1650, then only you should buy this stock. If the stock opens gap up and starts to come down in the first 15 minutes, then there won't be any buy side position. And if the stock takes support of 1645 40 rupees and then starts to give a breakout above that 15-minute bearish candle high. Okay, let me tell you one more time. Let us suppose the stock opens around 1650 and immediately starts to come down. Okay, then you should not buy this stock for the first 15 minute. Let this stock form the first 15-minute candle. If the first 15-minute candle is bearish, then there will be a buy order placed only above the high of this first 15-minute candle. Okay, then if this high is broken, then you can go for a buy side trade for the target of 1692 in intraday or in coming sessions. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Balkrishna Industries buy side trade. And one more thing, if the stock goes below today's low, okay, today's low of 1620, then you can find support for this stock again around 1600 rupee. Okay, and if this 1600 is also broken, then the stock will turn bearish and it will again come to retest this 1520 rupee low. Okay, so trade this stock carefully tomorrow. I am seeing a good buy opportunity in this stock tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel because I'm working day and night.